Hey guys, in this video, we are going to see the second concept in percentage, which is called percentage increase decrease. In this problem, generally one percentage value will be given and the second percentage value will be asked. So whenever you see one percentage value mentioned as increase or decrease and they are asking the corresponding value which will compensate the increase or decrease, these type of problems, right? These are the types of problems where you can apply these concepts. This is one important concept in percentage. Okay. So let us practically see how a problem looks like, and then maybe we'll just to try to understand the concepts and see how we can solve each and every one of these. Okay. So first idea is this: a person A's salary is 50% more than B. By how much percentage B's salary is less than A? Okay. This is one such question, a basic type of question where one percentage value is given, increase is given, and they are asking the corresponding decrease in percentage value. The second design of problem is like a salary of a person is increased by 50%, and by how much the new salary should be reduced to restore to the original salary. A similar type of question. Okay, so here also, like I've used the same number intentionally to teach you something at the later stage, so keep it at the back of the mind. Okay, and third problem is when price is increased by 50%, uh, like what to what percentage your consumption should be reduced to keep the expenditure constant. So basically this problem is called price, consumption and expenditure problem. Okay, so for all these problems I've just used one single percentage increase, 50% increase, and I'm asking the corresponding percentage decrease. Okay, so let us quickly jump into the method how to solve this type of problems. Before I actually teach you the concept with this problem, I wanted to teach you something called uh, intuitive answer theory. Like whenever you go for an aptitude exam, like when you look at a problem, intuitively you will feel, okay, boss, this is going to be the right answer. For example, this question, A salary is 50% more than B. Intuitively, in this question, you might feel, okay, so same A, B is here and same B, A is here. So obviously it is going to be 50 percentage less, sorry, 50 percentage less, 50% increase. So correspondingly 50 percentage reduce. So all will be equal. But this highly likely will not be the answer. Whenever you feel, okay, boss, this is going to be the answer, and you ask your friend, and if your friend is also telling, yes, I also feel this is the answer, 99% that will not be the answer. Okay, that is how aptitude problems are like kind of designed. Definitely, one of the answer choice will be 50, and you should not be marking that. It is not for specific percentage problems alone, generally saying. Okay. Next is this specific problem, we'll understand what is happening. A's salary is 50% more than B. Let us assume that here than B is given. So they are comparing with B. So let us assume B's salary to be 100 rupees. A's salary is 50% more. So A's salary will be 150. What is the change in value? Is 50 rupees. A is 50 rupees more than B and B is 50 rupees less than A. So there is no change in the amount value. But in terms of percentage, okay, this 50 rupees out of B's salary, it is 50 percentage. But the same 50 rupees, sorry, 50 rupees out of A's salary is 150 now. Okay, it's 1 by 3 or 33.33 percentage. Okay, the same 50 rupees is actually half of B's salary, but it is not half of A's salary. So percentage value will change. In these type of problems, generally like percentage change can be written as change in value divided by base value or the original value. Okay, base value. So write down what is the difference here. Change in value is 50 rupees and base values with whom I am supposed to compare this whole thing, salary. So here the question is by how much percentage B's salary is less than A. Than A meaning A's salary has to be compared, which is 1 by 3 or 33.33. So this is the traditional way of looking at the problem, and this traditional way of looking at the problem can be remodified or can be adjusted with subject to the designs of the problem. Second variety, third variety. This traditional method might be little bit varying. I'll also show you that. But the whole idea is for all these problem answer is going to be the same 33.33 percentage. Okay. So if there is a 50 percentage increase in the problem given, the corresponding decrease is going to be always 33.33%. So with this in mind, I'm just going to teach you a shortcut, how to apply this shortcut in these types of problem. So in this type of problem, a percentage increase will be given, okay, and a corresponding decrease will be asked or vice versa. Okay. So generally, if the percentage increase is x by n, the percentage decrease will be x by n plus x. I'll use the same example here. The percentage increase in the problem is 50%. 50% meaning what? 50 by 100. Okay, which is nothing but 1 by 2. If it is 1 by 2 increase, the decrease will be 1 by 2 plus 1, which is going to be 1 by 3. Or you can even use the same numbers here. 50 divided by 100 plus 50, which is going to be 1 by 3 again, which is once again 33.33 percentage. We can straight away apply this shortcut. And also, some people will not be like very fancied about the x and general algebraic terms. Okay, so for those people, I'll just tell you a practical approach of solving this problem. Okay, in this problem, like let's say there is a data given as 50% increase. Let us assume the value to be 100. From 100, how much is increasing? 50 percentage. 50 percentage meaning 50. So 150 is the new value. If you are supposed to find the decrease in value or reduction in the value, what you can straight away do is find the difference 50 divided by 150. Okay, or generally 2 is to 3 is the initial ratio. Okay, and it is from here you are supposed to uh, see from the higher value it becomes 3 is to 2. How much is reducing? 1 is reducing out of 3. If it is going forward, so it is going to be 1 out of 2. Might be a little bit difficult to understand, or like let's say it will be abstract at the initial stages, but down the line when you start visualizing the problem, you will get the flow. You can straight away use numbers and apply these formulas. If they give you something like if the percentage increase as like uh, 2 by 7 or 28.56 percentage, straight away what you can do is like, so the 7 is the initial value out of which 2 is increasing. The new value will become 9. So what will be the reduction in value? Which is going to be 2, the same 2 out of 9. So this is going to be 22.22 percentage. Okay. So for all this faster calculation, percentage calculation tricks will definitely help you. Okay. So this is the shortcut we have learned here. Okay. And the second design problem, salary of an officer is increased by 50%. Let us use the traditional method. Let the salary be 100. 50% increase will give me how much? 150. And from 150, I need to restore to the original value. How much should I reduce? Change in value is 50. And the new value or base value now is 150. So once again, it's going to be 1 by 3. I have to reduce 33.33 percentage from the salary. We can apply the same shortcut here. Okay. So 1 by 2 increase will correspondingly give me 1 by 3 decrease. Okay. From decrease to increase is also vice versa. Okay. Yeah. So next problem. This is one important problem. This problem I generally told as I was mentioning about price, consumption, and expenditure. Generally, there is a formula: price into consumption equal to expenditure. I'll give you a simple analogy. Okay. Let us assume that your father is giving you 100 rupees. Okay, not 100 rupees, giving certain amount of money. Okay, let the price of one movie ticket be 100 rupees. Let us assume. Okay, for ease of calculation. And you are taking 100 friends with you. Let us assume that you are a person with a lot of friends and you are taking everyone to the movie. Okay, you are booking 100 tickets. Okay, and the total expenditure is now 10,000. Let us assume like your father's money is equal to ticket price into number of tickets. So you can practically connect this whole formula with a practical scenario, and then easily memorize or easily remember this in your mind, because some people might find it hard to remember formulas. For people who are very comfortable, or people who love formulas, all that, this itself is sufficient. Okay, so you can just always remember 100 into 100 equal to 10,000. 100 is one ticket price, and I'm buying 100 tickets, and total amount is 10,000. Okay, this is the idea. I'm just going to use that one. 100 into 100 equal to 10,000 is the initial case. Now what happened? Price is increased by 50%. So price becomes 150. Okay, into expenditure is same. So same 10,000 is there, and I have to change the consumption. So this is x. If you simplify, you will get the value of x to be 66.66. Initially, the person was using 100, now only 66.66. So how much is reduced? 33.33% is the consumption which is reduced. So for all these three problems, like if you look into the answer, it is going to be the same: 33.33, 33.33, 33.33. So then for specific problem, if percentage increases a certain value, like whatever be the format or design of the question, answer is going to be the same. You can use any one of the design whichever you feel comfortable or shortcut, and then you can straight away mark the answer. And especially in these types of problem, price, consumption and expenditure problem, there are few advancements that can be asked in the problem. This problem can be slightly complicated, and they might ask a lot of tricky question based out of this in percentages. All those problems we will individually focus on the all types of problems part. After this concept session, you will have different designs of problem, and each and every problem I'll just solve it and show you, so that you can understand it little more better, and you can just go with an extra additional knowledge when you appear for your examination. Okay, so all those things will be seen in the all types of problems part and the shortcut videos which we are going to post next. Okay, so these are the three main concepts in percentages. Sorry, this is the second concept in percentages, and in the next video I am going to teach you like percentage, successive increase decrease concept. Thank you.